It's a new binary options broker that I've recently come across, though I think it's been around for at least a year. And it's on the spot option platform, so it's using one of the better software engines. I've already created an account, but I've yet to deposit. This review is going to be broken down into a few categories, being banking, the programs and promotions they offer, their support, the security of Cedar Finance, the software they're on, their education centre, and the payouts they provide. Okay, so here when you first join in, you're given when you're going to deposit, you're basically given a few different options. The more you deposit, the more you get with more features that you get. So bronze, if you deposit up to $1,000, you'll get a 30% bonus, an account manager, and daily reviews. The next level up to 5,000, you get risk-free trade, you get money management trading, you'll get an account manager dedicated towards you, and if you deposit over 5,000, you get a 75% bonus. You can 2 days to do a withdrawal. Usually it's 3. And you get a professional account manager allocated to you. Okay, so I'm going to select the bronze and deposit the minimum of $200. At the moment, they for Australians they offer credit card deposits, money bookers, or a bank wire. I'm going to choose money bookers. The amount will be $200, and my email. Okay, so that's now gone in, and I'll be using Poly, so I don't have enough. Outside first. My bank is ANZ. Proceed with your payment. So you can see here, this is using money bookers and Poly together. So Poly is direct gateway into my bank account. Alright, okay, so now that I've deposited with money bookers via Poly, I have a $200 balance. So I would say the process was pretty smooth. If you've never actually used money bookers and Poly, you might be a bit confused, but it's pretty straightforward. Probably the best way to do it. Very secure. Okay, so I'd say I'd give the banking category basically, there's only basically 3 options, so I'd probably only give it just a pass mark. It could offer a few more, like Poly Direct rather than money bookers and Poly together. But yeah, you're probably going to find credit card or a debit card is going to be the quickest way to deposit. Alright, so let's have a look at the next category of support. Obviously they have a live chat function here, so you can talk to someone straight away. Let's look at the contact us page, see what they have. I rate brokers a lot higher if they have an Australian phone number, and also if they have an Australian office, which some do. These guys are purely based out of Cyprus, and looks like they also have a UK number and a US number. So probably just give them a pass mark in terms of their support for Australians. Okay, so let's actually click the live chat and see how quickly we actually get a response. So I'm now chatting with Patrick. So there, that was pretty quick. Okay, so you've got to be happy with that. Alright, so the next category will be the education centre. So looks like they've got a market news section, which is going to probably give us a blog with basically probably that's updated daily or weekly on what's happening in the markets, which is always nice. There's a ticker over here, or it's a Yahoo ticker, so that's going to bounce you out to Yahoo if you click on that for a bit more reading. Pretty stock standard with most spot option brokers. Alright, so that will lead us to the trading platform. Cedar Finance visually is one of the better brokers in my opinion. It's quite a nice layout. I like the colours, it's easy on the eyes. Okay, so all spot options have the same tools, have 60 seconds. You've got your one touch category, which is for the weekend. Options builder, where you can have a bit more power over what you actually want to trade, the investments, the expiry levels you want to choose. Also the options builder, where you just get a bit more of a detailed breakdown of what's happening. Really getting someone calling me here, sorry about that. Okay, so that's the trading platform. So back to the home page, the platform page. They list about 4 different ones here. To put in a trade, you can basically pick your asset on the left. Assets will only appear if they're available. There's obviously up to about 200 which become available, or you can do shortcuts here straight to commodities or currencies, so that will list all your commodities that are available right now, currencies, indices, stocks and pairs, and of course 60-second options. Also, let's have a look at their total asset index. There'll be quite a few, I imagine. Just taking a bit to load here. So yeah, if we scroll through, there's obviously quite a lot. Alright, so if we just go back to the home page, we can find out a bit more about their promotions and payouts. So it looks like we get up to 75% payout, not one of the highest. I've seen up to 90%, like with bank to binary. 85% is usually pretty good, so that's a bit low in my opinion. I think they could do a bit better there. Okay, in terms of promotions, we saw that on the first page. Basically, the promotions depended on the amount you deposit, so the higher amount you deposit, basically the better promotions and customer service and account service you're going to get. Okay, so that's my review on Cedar Finance. I definitely, rate this as a very trustworthy broker. I've met the affiliate team behind Cedar Finance. They're a great bunch of guys who've been in the business for quite some time. So yeah, you definitely things will be safe with your money. I'm going to do another video with using my trading strategy, which I'll link to from here, and we'll actually do some trades